Are you tired of buying simple handrail brackets from Amazon? Then you should check out Qwares custom handrail brackets for any type of glass railing system. The glass handrail brackets are simple yet effective solution for mounting a handrail onto a glass. They're made of stainless steel and come in various sizes and styles. When looking for glass handrail brackets, consider the following 5 factors. Material: choose between stainless steel 316, 304, or 2205 grade. Style: consider whether you need a round, square, curved, or adjustable glass handrail bracket. Thickness: select a bracket that matches the thickness of the glass you plan to install, available for 3/4, 1-1/2, etc. Finish: choose a finish from satin brushed, mirror chrome, copper or bronze, or even matte black. Design: customization of handrail brackets that match your design. Qwares offers fast 3D design in 24 house and rapid samples in 48 hours. It is only $300 precision casting mold for a new design stainless steel handrail brackets. Visit more information at www.qwares.com/railing.